long-range aesthetics, and comfortability. What if we told you that your dream electric bike finally exists? Meet Zectron, the electric bike that has it all. The Zectron electric bike that pushes the limit, bringing you an out-of-this-world experience. Zectron's minimalistic yet tech-savvy design will make you stand out from the crowd. Molded with die casting, Zectron's aerospace-grade Uni-Body frame ensures strength and good looks at the same time. In combination with a built-in monitor and hidden wires, it is one of the most minimalist electric bikes there has ever been, without all the unsightly welding spots, loosening nuts, screws, and wires. Zectron shakes up the industry with one full charge, bringing you a full week's ride of up to 150 miles. Ride worry-free. The battery, controller, and motor are optimized algorithmically, working in synergy to allow riders to enjoy a long range. The dynamic rear suspension keeps the ride comfortable, and its anti-shock technology ensure a cloud-like riding experience. Zectron has 3 riding modes for you to choose between. Boost your ride with a 5-level pedal assist to help you pedal easier and move faster. Or ride fully electric mode and enjoy riding without a sweat for up to 70 miles. Want to do it yourself? Experience our 7-level gears and turn off the pedal assist. Glide through the city streets faster and in style with our 350-watt hub motor. Designed abiding the law with a top speed of 20 miles per hour for the US edition and 15 miles per hour for the European edition. The hydraulic brake feature allows best control of your bike to stop instantly for your safety. Shine bright in the night with the front and rear lights. Fold and unfold your bike in just 2 steps so you can take it on any adventure. Ergonomically designed to mimic the natural movements of riders on a bike, the Zectron bike moves to the rhythm of your body, taking the pressure off common cycling pain points. Feel the instantaneous response of the ultra-shock absorbency from our interpretation of the seat stay that suspends the saddle to soak up any jolts from the road, giving you a smooth, effortless ride. Embedded with GPS and network modules, you can check on your bike's location, lock your bike, or get alerts of unusual activities all through the Zectron app on your phone. The Zectron team comprises of talent with 10 years of global R&D experience in the outdoor and electric bike industry. This gives us a head start in understanding not only the technical aspects of creating a bike, but what works and doesn't work for consumers in this industry. Our R&D is grounded in data and research from consumers so that our Zectron bike is tailored to the everyday biker's needs, aesthetically, ergonomically, features, etc., and we ensure that the Zectron bike we present to you is of top quality. Zectron brings the electric bike that's futuristic from inside out to the present. Zectron. Ride the future.